Hello everyone, welcome to today's Python topic. So today I wanted to build upon my importing a data set or a data frame. And so I'm going to build upon that. So I just have this already here for us to look at. Um, and what I want to do today is show you guys how to, single out certain parts of your data. I'd say filter out the rest of the data that you don't want in your data frame, just so you can have a clear look of what what you're focusing on. So let me print my data frame just so I can, elaborate on that a little more. So let me print this out. As you can see here, I have basically the last few years of top players as well. What I want to do is I want to filter out every time Aaron Judge was not the top player. Because I want to see the years that he was top player and I want to compare them with each other. So I can do that by using query. And what I'm able to do is I'm able to actually get rid of the data of whole rows. Say for Arcano, I can get rid of every time he comes up, or I just only want Aaron Judge's data pretty much. I worded that very complicated, but hopefully it makes sense. So to begin with, my data frame is called df. So df.query is the function we're going to be using. For this function, I have parentheses. So within these parentheses is where you put the logic that will tell query what data you want to keep. So to begin with, you put all your parameters within single quotes. And I'm going to put the string of top player. As you can see here, I ended up using a backtick to, since I'm top player is a string, so I was gonna have to put a string within these within the single quotes. So a way you could do that is by using the backtick, and this will work perfectly using query. Then I put my comparator double equal sign, and then I can compare it for every time that Aaron Judge is in top player. This is also a string. I'm gonna put this in double quotes. This is just the syntax query likes. It doesn't like you to use a method twice, or it possibly can. I have had problems doing so, so I found this syntax works for me perfectly. So as you can see here, I just have df query. This isn't really going to do anything. It's not really going to be assigned to anything here. So how about we put it within a print statement so that we can actually get an output to our terminal. Perfect. Let me clear this. Okay, so now I have my print df, so this is going to print the whole data frame, and then next I just have my print using my query. So let's compare them and see what happens. So as you can see, the first print here, this is all my data, like absolutely all the data that I have in my data frame. And then as you can see, I used query and it filtered out absolutely everything except for when top player was Aaron Judge. So that's basically exactly what I was looking for. And since you're actually able to use basically like Boolean logic here to compare things, another thing you could do is you could put ands and you could also put ors. So say if I put and, I could also put and year is equal to a specific year. But what I can also do is I could put or. Yeah, I'll just explain it that way. So I could put it or as well here. And like I said, this is the same way you can use an and. So I'm just going to use it as or because I want to compare Aaron Judge, but I also wanted to compare him to Babe Ruth here. So I kind of want to compare their stats, see how it goes. So I can also put top player in here again. Oops, I forgot. I already put that there. Top player. Also in a backtick. So I'm basically going to copy this syntax here, but instead of Aaron Judge, I'm going to put Babe Ruth. So Babe Ruth. Okay, so what this will do here, let me clear this here, make sure I spelled that right. So what this will do, it'll actually output Aaron Judge or Babe Ruth. So they're both going to be output there because this holds true for either of them. So let me run that. So as you can see here, this is only showing the output for my query, but if I scroll up here, you can actually see that this is not my whole data frame. This is the whole data frame itself, what this output is not my whole data frame. It only outputted for Aaron Judge and Babe Ruth. So that is a way you can compare things. So as you can see, we actually have the years when Babe Ruth played, and we have the years Aaron Judge is playing. I said is playing because he's currently still playing for the Yankees. So I can actually see these and see who had the best years, and Aaron Judge's best years so far, and we can compare it with Babe Ruth's best years so far, and I could do. So yeah, this is a good way to actually like analyze your data frame and filter out anything that you don't really want. And for me, it was all the other players besides Babe Ruth and Aaron Judge. So that is a good way to use query, and hopefully it made sense. Thank you.